At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a sports card business can be an exciting venture, especially with the resurgence of interest in sports cards in recent years. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the sports card market, including popular sports, players, and card brands. Identify your target audience and niche within the market. 2. The business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, products, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your area. Consider forming a legal entity, such as an LLC, to protect your personal assets. 4. Supplier relationships. Establish relationships with sports card distributors, wholesalers, or manufacturers to source inventory at competitive prices. You can also attend trade shows or join industry networks to connect with suppliers. 5. Inventory management. Build up your inventory of sports cards, including both vintage and modern cards. Consider offering a diverse selection to cater to different preferences and budgets. 6. Online presence. Create a professional website or online store to showcase your inventory and facilitate sales. Utilize e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Etsy to easily set up your online store. 7. Offline sales channels. Explore opportunities to sell your sports cards offline, such as through local sports card shows, flea markets, or consignment arrangements with brick-and-mortar stores. 8. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your business. Utilize social media, email marketing, SEO, and paid advertising to increase visibility and drive traffic to your online store. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve any issues promptly, and ensure a smooth buying experience. 10. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on industry trends, player performances, and market demand to make informed decisions about inventory selection and pricing. 11. Networking. Network with other sports card enthusiasts, collectors, and industry professionals to stay connected and gain insights into the market. 12. Scale up. As your business grows, consider expanding your product offerings, exploring new sales channels, and investing in marketing efforts to reach a larger audience. Starting a sports card business requires dedication, passion, and a good understanding of the market. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can build a successful sports card business over time. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.